You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Khago. Yeah, man, Sky God. Khago again. Khago. Wait, come down now. Yes, come down now. And I come down now. And I come down. This one is just Shalam this. Shalam. Hey, I can see I go another one, apparently, Shalam forward on him live and say, Macadam and Khago can't bust back or not bust back. So, you don't know, say Khago not go take that. Khago not go take that. So, here's the song. Let's go. Let's see.
Khago. Yo.
See him rhythm.
What it do?
Bust the bus.
Yeah. What it do? Sky God. Yo, you know it's all wild. What it do? Shalam if you come down now. Right now. Shalam suck puppet show. Rolling. Shalam if you come down now.
Shalam suck puppet show. Papi, popcorn. Rolly. You hear him say? Papi. Then him say Rolly. Papi. We have breakdown.
Oh. Right now. Shalam suck puppet show. Rolling. Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Rasta man don't bow. Shalam why? Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Shalam suck it cocky yo. Come down. Shalam if you come down now. Why come down? Rasta man don't bow. Shalam come down. Sky God a running up. And blame them. Shalam a papi show kai suck papi too. Shalam not in a no league where me know. Then I who I guess him up among say guy call.
Who I guess him up? Who I guess him Shalam? A mossy guy call. Yo, man say yo I him and blame them around it up. I went him out glad I go all the way.
Yo.
Shalam!
What it do? Yeah, what it do?
Answer, Shalam.
Sky God. Yo, you know it's all wild. What it do?
Shalam, you go answer? You go take a bait? Khago a murderer. In no fight fear, yeah? So, if you bad, take a bait. If you bad, take out and take a bait. Yeah, man.
Oh, Shalam if you come down now. Right now. Shalam suck puppet show. Rolling. Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Rasta man don't bow. Shalam why? Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Shalam suck it cocky yo. Come down. Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Rasta man don't bow. Shalam come down. Sky God a running up. And blame them. Shalam a papi show kai suck papi too. Shalam not in a no league where me know. Then I who I guess him up among say guy call. Sky God, and a lie God. You better try God, for you die God. Liquor dirty hybrid boy lie bad. 45-year-old and a follow back a man like.
Man say a hybrid. Man say you're not real, you're a hybrid rasta. Yo.
Girl in a stay free and cheap at 45-year-old and a follow back a man like.
Man say you're 45-year-old. A social all. Man say you're 45-year-old and a follow back a man. A papi him attack. I will say Shalam and papi apart. Them got Barbados ready and thing. Yo.
Liquor dirty hybrid boy lie bad. 45-year-old and a follow back a man like. Girl in a stay free and cheap at Jamaica know me tan bad. I'm a chat bad. Get a new gun from Baghdad. So me
once said Jamaica knows them tan bad, I'm a chat bad. Never see a country him forward from us. So we must tell you straight that the whole world know about him already. So there's nothing where you are gonna say right now we can overthrow him. Shalam, what you say?
And back. Shalam, if you really wanna war with me, I don't am mad now your place to be. Your head out up like Chi-Aki. Yeah, you better pick a plot up at the cemetery. And if you really wanna war with us, you are gonna be the first iron balloon boss. Shalam leave a bus terminal. Yo, what it do? Yeah, what it do? Sky God. Yo, you know it's all wild. What it do? Shalam if you come down now. Right now. Shalam suck puppet show. Rolling. Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Rasta man don't bow. Shalam why? Shalam if you come down now. Come down. Shalam suck it cocky yo. Come down. Shalam if you come down now. Why come down? Rasta man don't bow. Shalam come down. Sky God a running up. And blame them. Shalam a papi show kai suck papi too. Shalam not in a no league where me know. Then I who I guess him up among say guy call. A sky god, and a lie god. You better try God, for you die God. Lick dirty hybrid boy lie bad. 45-year-old and a follow back a man like gal in a stay free and sheepad. Jamaican know me tan bad, and me chat bad. Get a new gun from Baghdad, so me tan bad. Shalam, if you really wanna war with me, I don't am mad now your place to be. Your head out up like 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, you better pick a plot up at the cemetery. And if you really wanna war with us, you are gonna be the first iron balloon boss. Shalam live a bus terminus. Yeah, who I guess him up, yeah, me curious. Fuck Batty Shalam. A Tyler beat him with strap on. You know I say me so is fuck Batty Shalam. A Tyler beat him with strap on. You know
Fuck Batty Shalam. A Tyler beat her with strap on. I would say a Tyler. No, papi him Jesus Christ.
Fuck Batty Shalam. A Tyler beat him with strap on. You know I say me suicidal from me band. Batty man Shalam, your locks them a platan. Batty man Shalam, broke back mountain.
Man say your locks them a platan, Shalam. Man say the man don't tell you say a hybrid. Man tell you say you know real. Shalam, you go answer. Shalam. Shalam, go down.
Batty man Shalam, your locks them a platan. Batty man Shalam, broke back mountain. Here say you drink from popcorn fountain. And up a Freedom Street, them say Shandstorm Mountain. Money full of man top, oh I count them.
Man say up a Freedom Street, Shandstorm Mountain. Yo. Khago not stop call Shandstorm name, you know. Even Shandstorm not answer. Khago still like a call Shandstorm name, brother.
Freedom Street, them say Shandstorm Mountain. Money full of man top, oh I count them. Pussy mouth Shalam, suck pussy till I choke him. A bad man sing a di Shalam and a jacket. And Bobo Hill never tell us that the sky got no ram. Your dirty family ram, forget your cocky clam. Make your flood out your brother hole, turn it in a swamp. Sky got a lucky place, me no joke, me no ram.
Second verse. Third. Which verse him depend on? Me last one.
Maroon town telly batty man fi go bank. Go banking batty man money from frank. Swim around pussy hole fi drown in a tank. I know I'm sweet to this Shalam like lamb. And your worst nightmare, me na drink, me na jank. Somebody put R.I.P. Fish fry is all I see. Your papi run when brother kind brother and yam fuck. But papi hug you up and you a take fuck.
Papi run with him brother cause him brother and yam fuck. But Papi hug you up and you a take fuck. They must say Papi run with him family, him blood family. Because video surface of him a do the thing to a girl. But Shalam when him a par with about him at blood.
Dirty money boy. Shalam, if you really wanna war with me, I don't am mad now your place to be. But papi hug you up and fish fry is all I see. Your papi run when brother kind brother and yam fuck. But papi hug you up and you a take fuck. Take a dirty money boy. Shalam, if you really wanna war with me, I don't am mad now your place to be. Your head out up like 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah, you better pick a plot up at the cemetery. And if you really wanna war with us, you are gonna be the first iron balloon boss. Shalam live a bus terminus. Yeah, who I guess him up, yeah, me curious.
Don't lie! Yo! Wait no man. I want go on. How I start all of this? How I start this now? Cause I know how Khago get to work, you know. Khago, we start off like this. This, to me, this soft for Khago. The caliber artist for Khago be this soft for Khago. As a this song. This is just Khago just have some fun with that one. Yeah. You see, if Shalam go make the mistake and go answer and say something we Khago not like, we're not going to see what go on. We're not going to see what go on. Believe you me, we're not going to see what go on, bro. That's all I'm going to say. Shalam, if you go answer, do it in a timely manner. Do it in a timely fashion. Think about what you're going to say to Khago. Cause if Khago follow the next song, it's gonna go harder than this, yeah? I'm just saying, bro. Be careful what you say. Shut up. Go.
You know it's definitely about representing
Yeah.
Jamaica's worst game reacts. What a reaction.
Bang bang, worst gamer. I just bang bang. Khago, you know.
Yo, I'm out.
Right now, I want $1 million US. If I say I'm vice of the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.